Hello everyone, I'm back with a new video with a new product, that is Lenovo Legion 5 Pi. So let's see its configuration and then unbox it. So here its configuration. You can find Intel i7 processor with 10750H and a base speed of 2.6 GHz, and it has a RAM of 16 GB and storage 1 TB SSD, and the graphic card is 6 GB RTX 2060. The display here is 15.6 inch display along with the full HD IPS display. Okay, the battery is 4 cell, and operating system is Windows 10 Home Edition, and the color of the laptop is iron gray. Don't confuse between Lenovo Legion 5P which is written here, and it has the same configuration which is shown in the website in Lenovo Legion 5 Pi, in the name of Lenovo Legion 5 Pi. Okay, here on the back side you will find a few more information, like the package contains laptop computer system, one number, and one battery, one manual, okay, and one adapter power cord, and the MRP here it is written is 1,88,890 rupees, which is almost equals to 1,89,000, you can say that. And the month and year of manufacturing is October 2020, and month and year of import is October 2020, and the name of country of origin is it is made in China. Okay, so let's unbox it. So now let's unbox it. Okay. This is the adapter cable. And this is the USB mouse. Okay, this is not wireless, it is wired mouse, and you can find few manuals here, maybe to guide us how to set up the computer, the laptop. Okay, let me first set it up, and I will then show you. Now this is how the laptop looks after unboxing. Now just let's open. Okay, remember it doesn't have any webcam, and this is the power button. Okay, let's see the ports given. Okay, this one is the speaker, and this is the power symbol, whether you can see if the laptop is on or not, and this one is the Novo button. I have read in the manual. I don't know what is Novo button hole, and this is type A, USB type A connector. Okay, now this is for the ventilation. Below you will find also ventilation ports here, Okay, now let's check out its backside for ports. Okay, on the back side you will find a ventilation slot, then Ethernet port, and then USB type C connector, and then two USB type A connector, one HDMI connector, and then HDMI connector, and then one power connector, and then there is an Kensington mini security slot, and then again this is the ventilation slot. Now again let's see on what is there on the other side. Okay, on the other side you will get one ventilation slot, one USB type A connector, and one combo audio jack. Okay, and one thing I forgot is you will find here, okay, this one is charging light. Okay, so let me first set it up for the first time, and then I will show you. Okay, one thing I forgot to tell you is that these are two microphones. You can see here. Okay, it has Dolby Atmos and Dolby Vision as well. Okay, here you will find Lenovo Vantage software where you can adjust the RGB lighting, and you can also go for the updates. Okay, there are 3 profiles, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, you can customize it as well. Okay, and the system health you can check here. I mean, if you have any updates, you can connect it to the internet and update it. Okay, now let's check the availability of the space here. Okay, now you can see here this PC, and the space you will get here is 906 GB out of 952 GB. Okay, I don't have any music or video files, or I would have played it here to show you. Now I found this laptop very I think very good in terms of the configuration, and there is another competitor you can say, that is a Ryzen series with the laptop with the Ryzen series chipset, that is with 4800H and with same 6 GB RTX 2060, and that laptop I have heard that it has 8 cores and 16 threads, but this one has only 6 cores and 12 threads. So the multitasking performance is much better in that laptop, that is the Ryzen series, and single core performance is better in the Intel, I have heard. Okay, and you can go for it. I was actually waiting for the Legion with RTX, Legion with the Ryzen series chipset. Okay, so that was not available in the website, and so I couldn't waited much longer and gone for this one. This one is also much better, and it has also got 6 GB RTX 2060. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you.